Mercies are new every morning. My heart beats for you every minute, every second, every hour of the day, forever and always. Thank you for the peace and joy that you have sown in my heart. Nothing in this world can ever tear us apart. You have been my friend, been my closest friend.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is my 6th attempt in practicing hyperrealism. So y'all been saying that I'm done practicing. Thank you so much, but there's still so much to do. This is just the beginning phase. So I was using this technique to create the skin texture and build skin tones. If you want to get a detailed explanation, you can check out my last video. I was using my Raise Neutral charcoal pencil to draw the skin patterns and then blend them with the makeup brush. Just follow the patterns in the skin on the reference photo. I know it's time and work to draw them out, but the end result is always worth it. And with this, I've seen some improvement in my work. This is a method I've discovered and I'm comfortable with. If you're not so pleased with this method, just keep practicing. You're an artist. I'm sure you'll find the best method for you. So after building the skin tones, I use the Tombow Mono 0 eraser to add details. So there's this common saying that practice makes perfect. Well, that's true. Practicing is a journey, a process to perfection. As you practice and work on your craft, you're improving at every stage. Practice makes improvement and the goal is perfection. So just keep practicing and trust the process. Thank you so much guys for watching to the end. Subscribe, leave a comment, like and share. Enjoy the review.
I know I have an army, the angels of heaven arm me. In God's arms my life is safer, cause so far He's failed me never. I know I have an army, the angels of heaven arm me. In God's arms my life is safer, cause so far He's failed me never. I know I have an army, the angels of heaven arm me. In God's arms my life is safer, cause so far He's failed me never. I know I have an army, the angels of heaven arm me. In God's arms my life is safer, cause so far He's failed me never. Iva mbiri vevititika muri ino jana.